Today I'm going to talk about how to use individual based on a CI role in approval mapping. What is this configuration about? This is newly enhanced option in BMC 9.1 SP4 in approval mapping for change management. And generally this will require the different configurations in approval mapping. There we have to configure for that individual based CR role with particular type of role relationship. Then in asset request we have to relate people with the same role type relationship. Then we have to create a change request, relate that asset into the change request, and when that phase reaches, the user will get the approval. How to configure this? You have to go to the application administration console, custom configuration, change management, approvals, approval mapping, then create a new approval mapping for use individual based on CR role, and select a relationship role type like used by, owned by, supported by, etc. This is how it looks in approval mapping. Then you go to the asset management console, select the asset which you want to relate in change request, and go to the people tab and add the people relationship type with the people and with the role. In this case, I'm using the asset people. One is user and added as a used by relationship in the asset CI based approval test. This is only the configuration. I'll show you how this works. Now I have this asset CI based approval test. Let me open this. Now if I go to the people tab, you will see asset people 1 used by relationship with the type people and role used by. In approval mapping, I have configured only individual based on a CI role type approval mapping with the role used by. In approval mapping, I also have the categorization defined, so this approval mapping will only work when I select this particular categorization. Create a new change. Then I create with the change manager. I also defined the category because that's for what I have that mapping, virtual machine, and in the relationship I relate that asset. Set CI. Yep, this is on relate. Now this is related to the change. Load, save. Okay, next stage. And refresh the approval table. Okay, you see now the approval is generated for the asset people 1 because it is configured as with a relationship with that asset. Thank you.